back to my channel. So today's look is going to be on the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the Vault collection, which comes in this box. It's 4 palettes, and I'm going to start with the Bling Boss palette first, which contains like the purple colors, simply because this is going to be my last week with this hair color, and I normally do my makeup and clothes according to the shade of my hair, which I change every 2 or 3 months. So if you would like to learn how to achieve this beautiful look, just keep watching, guys. Alright guys, so the first color I'm going to use, it's called Hush Hush, which is matte. It's like and that's gonna go right underneath the brow bone, and I want to use a nice fluffy color. I'm sorry, fluffy brush. Let me see if this has, oh, this is the Sedona Lace EB15. And this is like, this is a matte, it's on the neutral side. Like a matte plum. It's so light and airy. I don't know what other color to equate it with. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down a little bit more right onto the crease, since I'm going to put a color in between, and I actually want that color to pop and show up. Alright, so the next color that I'm going to use, it is called Rockstar, which is this plum, which is also matte. And I'm calling it a plum. Well, yeah, it's a plum. And I'm gonna go in, this brush is from Coastal Scents. It's a pointed, it doesn't have the number anymore, sorry. But it's a round pointed brush. And it actually picked it up pretty heavy. So what I want to do is I'm going to use that same brush that I just used from Sedona Lace, and let me soften it. Much better. Alright, so the next color, it's going to be Bling Bling, which is a frosted color, like a rose. I did try it on first by itself, but then I decided to foil it because it just wasn't popping. And I used a setting spray. Any setting spray will do. I mean, I just picked up the one that was closest to me, which is my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. And that's going to go in the inner part of the eye. And the next color, it's called Pizzazz. This one right there, which is also frosted, and it's like a burgundy. And I'm just blending it in to have that gradient effect. And then the last color, is going to be this one. It's called Mystic. This is like the matte. This is like an eggplant color. It's very, very dark. And what I did was I started off with an angle brush just to get define the outer corner. And I brought it in just like 1/3, and I lightly feathered it in. I didn't go all the way in like I normally do. And then once I feathered it in, what I'm going to do is I am going to take a blending brush and just soften it a little bit. Alright, so this is the finished look. And I like this palette. Of course, any palette with a mirror gets a thumbs up from me. I did enjoy it. I felt that the colors were good. They were very well pigmented. You get 4 palettes, $49. I had I forgot how much they go for individually. I'll put the price down below. And I had a 10% discount code. And I think it's a good value. I would tell you to go and get it. Yes, if you are not an avid, you don't have a whole bunch of makeup. If you're a makeup hoarder like me, then yes, get it. But if you're looking to add to a makeup collection, I would definitely recommend all of these. I'm not going to open all of them because I'm not going to do a review on all of them. I'm going to do it individually. And I love it. The colors, there's no fallout. Very soft, creamy, buttery. They're nicely pigmented. Especially those dark matte ones, you do have to know how to use them. So, and also the brush that you're using. Obviously, if you're using a brush that has tightly packed bristles, you're gonna get a stronger look. And being that they are so concentrated, I do suggest that you go in with a blending brush first, and then just build up the intensity to your desire. But yeah, go ahead, thumbs up. And the quality equals the price, I must say. Yep. So don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell too. Give me a like. Thumbs up, guys. And of course, don't forget to unleash the makeup whore inside of you. Ciao, guys.